Outdoor spaces stay pretty when everything has a home. And this DWVO louvered deck box has been one of the best little upgrades on our patio. Honestly, this is our second one because we love it so much. It's a 35-gallon resin storage box, which is the perfect size for the things you want close by, but not on display. Chair cushions, garden gloves, small tools, even pool supplies. For us, we love to store our pond supplies in here as well. Patio tip: I like to organize by moment. One box can be your cushion and blanket station, and another can be your garden and pool station. And then we have one for pond supplies. It keeps everything easy to grab, and your patio stays calm and clutter-free. Another outdoor trick is protecting anything fabric from surprise weather. This one is designed to be weatherproof and UV resistant, so it helps keep your outdoor gear dry even when your heavy rains roll in. I also love the built-in side handles. It's light enough to move around solo, but sturdy enough to use as extra seating, or even a little side table when you need it. Assembly is super simple. It's that snap together, no tools needed style, so it doesn't turn into a whole project. Such an easy win for more organization. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.